of Institutions Online Classes, and this is your biology class. Students, in a previous video we will discuss some important questions of chapter 3 photosynthesis, and today we will continue these questions, means one word types question answer of chapter 3 we will discuss in our today's video. Okay students, so let's start. The question number first: tiny pores on the lower surface of leaf are, students, on the lower surface of the leaf there are minute or tiny pores are present, and these pores help in exchange of gases. Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor. So these pores, these minute or tiny pores are called stomata. So the answer is stomata. Next question, question number second: opening, the stomata opening surrounded by two kidney shaped cells called. Student, actually the structure of the stomata is like this. It is the stomatal opening, and this stomatal opening is surrounded by two bean shaped, or we can say two kidney shaped cells. This stomatal opening is surrounded by two bean shaped or kidney shaped cells. These cells are called guard cells, and now these guard cells are surrounded by cells. These guard cells are also surrounded by this type of cells, is called subsidiary cells. So this is the stomatal opening, and this is the guard cell. This stomata opening is surrounded by these cells, bean shaped cells called guard cell, and now these guard cells are surrounded by cells is called subsidiary cells. Okay students, so this is the structure of stomata. Now, a stomata opening surrounded by two kidney shaped cells called, this two kidney shaped cells को क्या बोलते हैं? Guard cells. The answer is guard cell. Next question, question number third. Guard cell is surrounded by. Now, the guard cell is surrounded by subsidiary cell. So the answer is subsidiary cell. Next, question number 4. Gaseous exchange in leaves take place through tiny pores called, students, on the lower surface of the leaf, the tiny pores are present, is called stomata. Is called stomata, and these stomata help in exchange of gases. Why the exchange of gases is required? Because in the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide are required and oxygen gas is released. So this gases exchange is take place through stomata. So the answer is gases exchange in the leaves take place through tiny pores. वो tiny pores क्या होते हैं? Stomata. And the answer is stomata. इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी पूछते हैं कि gases exchange किस organ के through होता है? The answer is stomata. Now, next question: stomata are closed during, when the structure is like this. This is called stomata is closed. Okay, this is the closed stomata, diagram of closed stomata, and the structure is like this. This is called stomata is open because there is a gap is seen. So stomata are closed during night. नाइट के समय स्टोमेटा क्या होते हैं? क्लोज होते हैं. एंड स्टोमेटा आर वाइड ओपन ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. ओके, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम द photosynthesis occur and the stomata continuously exchange the gases, so they remain open, and at the time there is no exchange of gases, so they are closed. Mostly they are closed. Students, the next question is the elements required in lower quantity. So the element that is required in lower quantity are called micronutrients. Micronutrients are the nutrients those are required in lower quantity. Next question, the elements required in higher quantity called macronutrients. As the name suggests that micro and macro. Macro means required in higher quantity. Those nutrients are called macronutrients, and the nutrients which are required in lower quantity are called micronutrients. Next question, micronutrients are also called because micronutrients are required in lower quantity. Lower means small quantity में required होते हैं micronutrients. तो इनको और भी क्या बोल सकते हैं? Trace elements. Trace means which are required in lower small amount. Trace amount में जो trace amount में required हो, small amount में required हो, उनको बोलते हैं trace element और micronutrients. Next question number 10. Name some micronutrients. So micronutrients which are required in lower quantity, small amount, जो small amount में required है वो micronutrients है. अब हमें यहाँ कुछ micronutrients के नेम बताने हैं जो small quantity में required होते हैं. Okay students, so the micronutrients are copper, boron, zinc, molybdenum. Okay, these are the micronutrients which are required in very small amount. Next question number 11. Name some micronutrients. अब यहाँ कुछ macronutrients के नेम बताने. Macro means which are required in large amount or higher quantity or large amount. So the macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, potassium, phosphorus. These are nutrients which are required in higher quantity or large quantity. These are called macronutrients. And the next question is, the presence of starch can be tested by using, students, that leaf perform photosynthesis, and in the process of photosynthesis they can synthesize the food of themselves. वो उनके लिए फूड प्रिपेयर करती हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस से. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस से कौन सा फूड प्रिपेयर होता है? ग्लूकोज, जो कि स्टोर होता है स्टार्च के फॉर्म में. दैट मीन्स इन द लीव्स स्टार्च आर प्रेजेंट. बट हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दैट स्टार्च इज प्रेजेंट इन द लीव? बाय टेस्टिंग. मतलब हम एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि लीव्स में स्टार्च प्रेजेंस होता है, और अगर स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है दैट मीन्स दैट शो दैट लीव परफॉर्म फोटोसिंथेसिस. So the presence of starch can be tested by using. But ये starch की presence लीव में टेस्ट कैसे की जा सकती है? किसका यूज करके? आयोडीन सोल्यूशन का यूज करके. The answer is iodine solution. Okay, means the presence of starch can be tested by using iodine solution. Next question number 30. On testing with iodine, starch turns in color. जब हम आयोडीन से टेस्ट करते हैं कि लीव्स में स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है या नहीं, तो लीव्स का कलर कैसा चेंज हो जाता है? ब्लू और ब्लैक. ब्लू ब्लैक मीन्स अगर लीव्स में हम आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन पोर करते हैं और लीव्स का कलर ब्लू एंड ब्लैक कलर में टर्न चेंज होता है, दैट मीन्स दैट शो स्टार्च लीव्स में प्रेजेंट है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I think this is sufficient. Get revise all these questions which I have discussed in my today's video and in my previous video. That's important question for chapter 3 photosynthesis. Okay students, thank you.